Look, you don't need to build an app or know how to code to start earning with AI. In this video I'll show you a simple way to turn ChatGPT into a $1,000 a month content service that you can run as a solo creator, using only your laptop, internet connection, and a clear offer that busy people will happily pay for. Value. The opportunity is simple. Most coaches, local experts, and small businesses know AI exists, but they have zero time to learn prompts or set up systems. You become the AI layer for them. Step 1. Pick one narrow outcome you can deliver with AI, like, for YouTube, scripts per week, a month of Instagram captions, or weekly newsletter. Outlines. Do not try to sell AI consulting, sell a concrete, done for you result. Step 2. Design a repeatable workflow in ChatGPT. For example, for scripts your process might be: collect info about the client and their audience, feed previous posts into AI and say, learn this style. Generate 10 topic ideas, choose 4 with the client, then generate and refine 4 scripts per week. Save all your prompts and steps in one document so each new client feels like copy-paste. Step 3. Price and outreach. Start with a simple monthly package like 4 scripts per week for X dollars, and aim for 3 to 5 clients. Your first few clients can be cheaper in exchange for testimonials and permission to use results as case studies. To find them, message people who already post but clearly struggle with consistency and say, I can use AI to take this off your plate and send you done for you content every week. CTA. If you want a ready-made workflow and prompt bank you can adapt for your own AI service, save this video and comment service, so I know to record a full breakdown you can follow step by step.